Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact photos and access you need. Collect one clear, high-resolution photo for each person, taken at similar angles and lighting. That matters for realism. Sign into your Google account and open Google Gemini's image composer. No detours. Once done, create a new project and set a canvas size that fits your final use. For example, 4,000 by 3,000 pixels. Make sure images are imported into separate layers so you can work non-destructively. Now you align and blend. Use Gemini's Face Align tool to scale and rotate each head so eyes and shoulders match a consistent perspective. This reduces uncanny artifacts. Next, mask each subject's background precisely and place them on separate layers, then arrange spacing and depth for natural overlap. Once positioned, apply color match, shadow painting, and gentle feathering around edges to unify skin tones and ambient light. This is why you matched lighting earlier. Consistency makes the composite believable. Finish by rendering a high-quality preview and inspect at full resolution for mismatched shadows, odd edges, or scale issues. Make global adjustments, color grading, contrast, and a unified shadow layer, so the group reads as one scene. Export a TIFF or high-quality JPEG for final use, and save a layered PSD or Gemini project file for later edits. If artifacts or weird blending appear, reopen layers, refine masks and alignment. Reduce sharpening, then re-render. That single tweak usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.